Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be unboxing our May box. You may have chosen to receive the magazine with your box. This is our May-June edition. I think it's a particularly beautiful edition. As usual, the first thing you'll find is the brochure with the big hero picture showing all of the contents, and then inside a page explaining the theme, and then one page per product. So first up, we included these lovely tea towels. This one is a beautiful radish. You will either have received the radish or a parsnip. Next, this little basket, which I'm going to be using on my table this summer for bread down the table. This is the perfect size for putting a few little pieces of bread down the table for guests to reach out to, or on the breakfast table with a couple of croissants. Is exactly the right size. We included a olivade, and this is a tapenade of olives. I think it's delicious. It's great for an aperitif. You can spread it onto a little piece of bread or a little toast. Also started using a teaspoon of it in a vinaigrette for a salad. I think that works really well. And getting things out of a hot oven, we have you covered. Look at this lovely chic baking mitt. Getting things out of your oven. Little tag for hanging it up and keeping it tidily in your kitchen. Sabre. Do you know the brand Sabre? It's a really fantastic French brand of tableware. And we wanted something special for this box. And so we included from them 6 of their steak knives with olive wood handles. They're gorgeous. Olive wood handles. Please don't put them in the dishwasher. Our antique item. We're thinking of your summer entertaining, and the antique item is a silver plate antique fork. Some of you will have the fork with a little guard coming up here. The guard is when people were using a big carving knife and fork, the guard would just protect the hand from the carving knife. Each person gets a slightly different fork because they're all antique, so they're all different. We thought that actually it would bring a little bit of a different vibe to barbecuing this summer, spearing your meat on the barbecue with this. And our last item matches your the glove, the oven glove, and we've given you a beautiful cotton apron, a nice big pocket on the front, and wraparound ties, but really useful apron for the summer. And then I mentioned Yves Damas. Yves is watercolour painting 4 different scenes from Paris for our boxes this year. So this is month of May, this is the second. The first one was Place de la Concorde. And for this box, you have a watercolour of the Musée d'Orsay on the river there. I hope you enjoyed your box. We still have a few available if you'd like to buy one, buy another one, gift one to a friend. I also have some very, very exciting news that I wanted to tell you. We are launching something called My French Country Club. There's lots more news coming about it this week. It will be a digital membership club for people who want a little bit more, who want to take a deeper dive, who want to get behind the scenes and let me take them into some of the most beautiful gardens and homes in France. I really hope you'll join us. Thank you for watching.